Mano Amiga Schools is that they form a network dedicated to promoting quality education to children and youth in vulnerable situations. These schools typically focus on disadvantaged communities, delivering comprehensive educational programs to enhance student opportunities.
Match is one of the biggest schools of the zone compared to others. It is an educational institution that adheres to the principles and teachings of the Catholic Church. It is characterized by integrating the Catholic faith into the academic curriculum and fostering religious values into the student development. In addition to educational aspects, this school often have religious activities and celebrations and extracurricular academies as part of a student's life. Match it ain't like other schools cause it offers to every single student a scholarship and has a scholarship agreement with some universities such as Anahuac. It's one of the best schools of the Edomex so far, and it has basic educational levels like kindergarten, elementary school, middle school, and high school. It is specialized in the area of technology. From a young age, children are taught technological areas and the basic of a computer and certain programs. But in high school, the career of computer technician is carried out. Also, let's not forget the extracurricular activities. Match offers sports academics such as soccer, women's soccer, basketball, and volleyball. And the most fascinating of all, the cultural academies, such as folkloric dance and the music academy.
Mano Amiga School aims to provide a more holistic educational experience compared to some conventional institutions, emphasizing community development.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how beautiful is Match. Now we're located on the principal field of the school, which is the big field of the school where practice different sports.
The Padrino soccer field is quite impressive with large standing convenience centers at the field, weather and maintain, terrace and green, making it the most looking field in the neighborhood. Have you been to Hadir Head Cemetery? It's a visit to the study of the ritual with the best at
Created using Powtoon.